Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate floating window on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view. In my case, Play Store. After that, you need to open it in the background. In order to do that with 3-keys navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Then tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and click on Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. And as you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you want to move it around, you need to hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to. You can always use this app, overlay the other one, by opening the other one and using both. Sorry, misclick. If you wish to use it in full screen view instead, click on this icon at the top left corner. In order to close it though, tap on X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!